Okay, we're going to make a broccoli casserole. You're going to need some broccoli. You're going to need a can of mushroom soup. And you're going to need some butter. And we'll see what else. You'll need some breadcrumbs. You'll need some butter. You'll need 1 teaspoon of butter. Okay, take your pan and butter it up with it. You'll need to bake this about 30 minutes at 350. You'll need some Ritz crackers. If you ain't got that, use any kind of crackers you want, but that's the original recipe. You'll need 1 pound of broccoli. I'm not using cream of mushroom soup. I'm using cream of chicken because I've got mushrooms. Salt and pepper. The best kind of cream of chicken is Campbell's. But I'm using a cheap brand. Okay, we got our broccoli and our mushrooms. You can cut these up into little bitty pieces if you want to. Before I bake mine, that's probably what I'll do, cut some of them up. But right now I'm trying to get everything in the pan. Okay, let me cut some of this up and I'll be right back with you. I cut some of it up a little bit smaller pieces. Okay, let's put some pepper on it. Okay, let's get some milk. Well, shit. One cup of milk. Okay, I'm going to bake it just like this for 15 minutes before I added any cheese or anything to it. Be back with you at 350 for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Now we're going to try to get it out of the oven for the first 15 minutes. It ain't even bubbling yet. Okay, let's stir it up. Okay, let's add our 1 onion, chopped up small. Okay, let's add our beef sausage. Okay, stir it up again. Okay, let's take our Ritz crackers, or whatever kind of crackers you want to use. You can crumble them up, but I'm not doing that. It'll get crumbled up once you move everything around after you bake it. I'm just trying to do it fast and get it over with. Now you'll need some cheese, cheddar cheese, or any kind of cheese that you want to use. We got cheddar cheese. Be right back with you. Let me get all this grated up. Okay, I got 4 ounces right now on top of the casserole. So I'll have 4 ounces more to do when I get it out of the oven. Bake at 350 for 30 more minutes. It's almost done. I stirred it up again. Now I'm going to put the extra cheese on top that we shredded. 4 ounces. Now you can pour more Ritz crackers on top here if you want to. Or breadcrumbs, either one. Okay, we're going to let it bake another 15 minutes. And it should be done. We're going to end the video right here, and it is done. It looks good, don't it? Now, if you want to, you can add more cheese, more crackers, whatever. Thanks for watching. This is Tawynia's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on TikTok. Thanks for watching.